Hello everyone, I am Tushar. Today we are discussing a relevant topic for college campus. Should uniform be made compulsory for internship and placement activities? Working with me is our guest who will share insights from both a student and professional perspective. Hi, welcome. Introduce yourself.
So, I am Chirayu Singla from Karnal. Here is in Dehradun for studying my MBA. So, yes. So you call me for the most important topic, that is uniform is compulsory for the internships or the other programs. Yes, it is very big and vast topic. So
Why is this topic important today?
this topic is important today because internships and the placements are becoming important for everyone's lives, because today's generations, Gen Zs, are trying to take the jobs very importantly, and they need to be well uniformed and the others.
What are the main arguments in favor of compulsory uniforms?
Uh, let's start. There are several strong reasons. Professionalism. If we are dressed properly, we will look professional, and equality. There should be equality in each person. There should be no rich, no low, no poor. Identity and discipline. Through wearing the proper uniforms in the interview and the placement, it will becomes more identity and the discipline, because in uniform we will help to manage others and focus on performance. If we are undressed improperly, we will not perform ourselves and focus on the interview process. We will always only doing our shirt up and the other things. So these are the main.
What are the arguments against compulsory uniforms?
Every idea is two sides, as you know. So definitely there are concerns. Restrictions on personal expression. Students feel uniforms limited individual and comfort. Cost factor. There are some uniforms which are costly, and not all industries require formals, and as you know, there are many industries that are not require any formals for their interview and the other things in their job and for other things. So one size fits all does not work. If we are dressed the same, it will also be good, because at that level we can't manage others. So,
What do students generally feel about uniform in placements?
yes, most students agree with the formal dress, because when we are dressed in formal, we will get confidence that we are going to do something big in our future. And if we are not dressed properly in formals, we will look funky, and the interviewer sitting in front of us will not manage, and he will not be a goodwill for us and for the companies on the other institutes also.
What do companies prefer during placements?
So companies during in placements and interviews are basically neat and clean shoes, uniforms, proper dress uniforms, proper shirt, proper tie, and the proper blazer. So we look same, and we look professionals that we can do, and we can look neat and clean. So our hair should be cut also for that.
Should the rule be compulsory or optional?
So this is your personal view. On my personal view, this should be compulsory, because through this we can be looking professional, and the other solutions also we will be dressed properly, and the people will see us in proper dress, and we will look equal in front of everyone.
How can college implement this fairly?
For this, the college should tell their students to. For this, the college tell their students to be more knowledge that in proper uniform they will be good, and there will be high chances for their placements.
Thank you, Chirayu. I am very happy.
So well.
Thank you.